Morning, everybody. We got to the point here where it's getting taking too much time. Chris doesn't want to come out all the way out here. I don't blame him. Got to drive pretty far to get here. So we're gonna bring this thing in to his shop, and that way he can tinker with it on his spare time and after hours, whatever. So it's still the same, hasn't changed in a couple of weeks, so you're not missing anything. I was hoping to get some riding videos, but it's gonna have to wait for a bit. I got other things I'm doing, like repainting lawn furniture and staining the deck and fixing other stuff like the boat. But we're hoping this thing will get done eventually. Either that or it'll be a good parts machine for somebody. But he's gonna work on it. So I'm gonna trailer it and bring it down to him today. I think I'm gonna have to winch it up. All right, loaded up, ready to go.